Let's start by explaining what is exosomes. Exosomes are packages that cells secrete. All cells secrete. Exosomes can serve as mail packages. They can serve as garbage bags that cells secrete outside, release outside because they either need to send it to someone or need to get rid of the garbage. Many people had the idea that they can look on those garbage bags and boxes to spy on what's happening inside the cells. But the problem is, when you look on all of those packages together from all the cells, you get a lot of mixed information. What NeuroDex is doing, we are sorting the packages that are coming from a certain address, specifically the brain, to get a much more specific information. And we want to work on the brain because it's such a difficult organ to access. You cannot really take biopsy. It's very difficult to look inside, so you have to spy from the outside, and exosomes provide a method to do that.